I am S. Prakash, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. My topic is Industrial Law. Unit 3. The topic name is Applicability of Payment Wages Act. So, what is the applicability of Payment Wages Act? The Payment of Wages Act of 1936 applies to the entire India. The Act applies to the wages that are paid to individuals employed only in the following establishment. The Payment of Wages Act 1936 applies to employees in India earnings wage up to a certain limit, which was most recently set at 24,000 per month by the central government. It covers workers in various sectors, including factories, railways, air transport, plantations, and constructions. The Act's primary purpose is to ensure timely payment of wages and prevent arbitrary deductions, offering a speedy remedy of workers. The next, who it applies to? The wages ceiling. The Act applies to employees whose wages for a given wage period do not exist a certain monthly amount, currently 24,000 as set of the central government. The next, the specified establishment is an Act applies employees in various establishments including the factories, railway, whether employed directly or through contractors, the tramway of motor transport service, air transport service, and docks, wharves and jetties, inland vessels, mines, the oil fields or quarries, plantains, workshops where articles are manufactured, produced and adapted for sale, constructions, development and maintenance of buildings, bridges, roads, canals, and operations connected within irrigation navigations of electricity. So it is applicability of payment wages. It is only on the establishments. So the next is objectives of Payment Wages Act. The Payment of Wages Act 1936 was earned the safeguard workers' right regarding timely and fair. The payment of wages, its main objectives are ensure timely payment of wages. It ensures that workers receive their wages without delay, specifically in the industrial sector. Why it is means it is very collectives and workers want to take money in the companies. So he want to the build in every day. So he want to the payment of wages. The next is protect the rights of workers. What is the protect of rights of workers means? It is safeguard employees, specifically unorganized and lower income workers from exploitations in wages matters. The standardized wages payment methods is ensure the paid in legal tender, cash and check, bank transfer and within the specified time. The next is the government notification. The central government can extend the Act applicability to other establishments or classes of establishment through a notification in official gazette. The next is what it regulates. The timely payments. The Act mandates timely payments of wages employees with the penalties for delay. The prohibitions of unauthorized deductions. Employees are prevented from making unauthorized deductions from in employee wages. The remedy of workers have a clear mechanism to file claims of delayed payments or unauthorized deductions with an authority appointed under the Act. The next, the overview of current wage. The ceiling under the Payment of Wages Act 1936 in India is INR 24,000 per month. This limit was increased from in INR 18,000 per month by the central government. The existing Act coverage the more employees, factories, industrial establishment and other specific sectors. The Act regulates various aspects of wage payment, including the time, manner, and permissible deductions from employees failing within the wage ceiling. Then the last one is provide a legal remedy. The legal remedy is the empower employees of file. It is the delayed payment, short payment, wrongful deductions. Improve industrial relations to promote fair labor practices under the better employer-employees relations by the building trust and accountability. So it is for the applicability of payment of wages act. So it is mostly helpfully into the laborers and workers. Thank you.